Hey there, everybody. Tom Swift with Basecamp Trading. It is Monday, April 3rd, and we're going to take a look at a naked trading setup that played out really well here in bonds. Just continuing on with our daily naked trading commentary, just showing you how these markets and how these setups work in different market environments. So this is a 240-minute price chart on a 30-year bond. Now, 240s are one of my favorite time frames. Not for necessarily identifying where to actually enter a trade at, but for getting directional bias. Now, that being said, they're also one of the best time frames for micro trend breaks. If you don't know what a micro trend is, it is a short-term series. What happens is overall this market was moving higher. We put in a lower high and a lower low. So we change trend according to the definition of a trend with naked trading. We draw what we call the line in the sand across those pivot highs. And if that is broken, we say, okay, this was a micro trend, and we immediately resume the uptrend, which is what just happened here. You should get a pretty good follow through, just like we did today with bonds. Now, if you follow me on Twitter and StockTwits, I sent out that message earlier today saying, hey, we're breaking through the trend line, and then saying, okay, your first target's hit. All right, now your second target's hit for day trading. So it worked out really, really well. But 240-minute charts, they give us directional bias because during this entire up move here, you can be drilling down to shorter term charts and going, okay, our 240s are breaking out, so I'm going to find an entry on a shorter time frame in the direction of that 240-minute breakout with a target based on the 240-minute chart, such as the pivot high up here or the weekly pivot high up at 152 and 23 seconds. So overall worked out really well. Again, this is what's called a micro trend break. If you want to learn a little bit more about what a micro trend is, I'm going to link to a different webinar down at the bottom of the screen at the end of this video, where you can click there and go watch. It's about an hour long, all about naked trading. And that'll also tell you how you can take the next step and get the naked trading workshop, where it's several hours of training on just price action trading. So that's going to be down the bottom left-hand side of your screen. And then on the bottom right-hand side of your screen, there's going to be a little circle with a man in it. Click that logo of Basecamp Trading so you can get subscribed to our YouTube channel. That way you can get these daily updates with different setups. So that's all for today, but great job to everybody in the trading room that took the long. You had the nice micro trend break in bonds, and you had the same thing in gold. And I'll show you gold really quick as well. So you can see the same type of setup. Overall upward moving market, we change trend. You draw your trend line across the highs. We break through the trend line, snap higher just like you did here. So that's all I have for you for today. I'll see you in the trading room bright and early tomorrow morning. Once again, don't forget to click the button to subscribe. And until next time, happy trading.